Just a little disclaimer, this guide is meant for informational purposes only and is nowhere meant to constitute medical advice or act as a substitute for seeking medical care. It's always a great idea to get first aid training. That said, let's quickly have a quick walkthrough through this first aid guide. When in doubt, call 911. Always call 911. Then we got a little index which shows you exactly what awaits you in the rest of the guide. We got adult CPR, child CPR. We got ABC of resuscitation, wound care. And we got bites and stings, bleeding, burns, as well as little images that you can see what you need to do, especially during something like choking, eye injuries, head injuries, poisoning, shock. And at the bottom for poisoning, if you suspect someone has been poisoned or you yourself have been poisoned, call the number that's there on the back. It's 1-800-222-1222. Spinal injuries, sprains and strains, diarrhea, heart attack, stroke. If you see someone's face looks a bit droopy and they're not making sense when they talk, call 911, get professional help. Frostbite, hypothermia, altitude sickness, sunstroke, heat stroke, and then hemorrhage, and we always recommend getting a professional tourniquet so that you can save life and limb. And then you got a bit of notes at the back so that you can take notes if you need to.